Meghalaya Board of School Education embos haka pratarik ujemang arhajar arpusau kalapun benaya ka Hsslc result jong ka science but commerce. Ya ka Kyrdan Nyngkong haka science stream la yo da usohan bata charji na Laban Bengalee Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong. Usohan ula yo hado sauspa prapulai marks. Haba yo banyak bat usohan ula ong ba umla ban mudur ba ula yo ya kanika Kyrdan. Ula ai khuble khamtam ya kinong hikai ki balaya rap u mit labat sngi ba unpoi syakathong. Ula ong ru baka badan kam kalong ban minot manaka sngi kat bakot kabor kam da dai ban pelut bon kenta. Kajing temu basha khmat jong u kalong ba un lek puli BSc Physics bat ukrmen ya kababha.
You please take this photograph in your room.
Mainly it takes dedication and discipline. It doesn't mean that if you study for 10-15 hours a day you will get here. It's a misconception. You can just study for a few minutes also, but the concept of the subject, it should go into your head, and that is what makes the difference. And consistency and regular study makes it possible. Right? So now it's a mixed emotion. Right now I'm still shocked that how I got that. Never expected about getting the first rank or anything. Just shocked right now.
So scoring 100.
Entire credit goes to my teacher. She really helped me a lot. Whenever I had doubts, even at 10-11 o'clock I called her. She gave me reply. So it's all credit goes to her. Thank you so much, Miss, for helping me not only in physics and all the department. All the teachers are really amazing here.
So what?
My plan is to go for BSc Physics, taking major in it. So hoping for better colleges, and let's see.
Feeling extremely happy, very much grateful to my teachers, my friends, and also to some of the teachers from some other schools who have gone out from their way to help me.
Katbah ka commerce stream ya ka Kyrdan Nyngkong la yo da ka ferry Filarisha 1 na St. Mary's Higher Secondary School Shillong ka bala yo South Pa hinyo puar marks. Da ka men siem ka bakmen ka ferry kala ai khuble Nyngkong ya ublei kinong hikai bat ka school hi barok ka wei ya ki bahing hasem bat ki paralok. Ka jing tumu jong ka kalong ban pendep ya ka BCom bat ban ya khunru haki competitive exam.
Banking.
Kapag I went crack competitive exam of banking, and I'm Khubor first Laban, and then my school. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful to them and my teachers, my family, my friends. Just do your best. Figure out you can, you will, and you have to. That's it.
That it's a great example for the future generations. Their exemplary life. They have made their parents proud with their dedication and hard work, and this is an example for the future generations.
Tak berjisi komen kemakram te Nyngkong ini beli mo ba kembang jing yarap jong kecing dan dekat jong salah poin katong ba kepaar dan cai ba ila trishitam sisia ke sai bon le thong bi lama ba ka bala jing ai beli ke school te bagi khamtam kin hika bagi da ai ke jing hikai iba salah ko chakan katong